guys, and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create very cool hand-painted baseball cap. And you know guys, the goal of my channel is to show you that all kind of clothing can be customized and headwear can be customized as well. So I bought this white basic baseball cap. And I've spent a couple of days thinking what can I paint on it. I had a lot of ideas, but then I decided to create animal design. But if I would paint whole animal, it would be hard for you because I want to make this video as a DIY video. So I decided to paint just eyes, wild animals' eyes. And also I'm gonna create some beautiful effects with the brush. I'm gonna splatter paint, I'm gonna write something. So I think that result will be interesting. So let's get started. And here is the idea of the design. I want to paint eyes of snow leopard. And first I'm gonna sketch design on the cap with pencil, and also I use eraser to erase wrong lines. And first I draw eyes, and then I'm gonna draw spots on the fur. And now I'm gonna use a round brush size medium and colors, fabric paints, blue, white, green, turquoise and black. And first I outline eyes with black color. And I fill them in with a light blue color. I mixed blue and white colors. And now I paint pupils with black color. And now I mix light blue color with black. And with this dark blue color, I paint shadows on the eyes. And I mix white color with a small amount of blue, and I paint light around the pupils. Now I paint highlights using pure white color. And now I mix green and white color, and I make a couple of strokes around the pupils just to make these eyes look a bit more realistic. And now I use small size brush, and one more time I outline the eyes with black color. And using same small brush I paint spots. And now I'm gonna use a big flat brush and black color paint, and first I wipe brush on rag to remove excess of paint, and then I make strokes on the bottom of the cap. I want to create kind of an ombre effect. And I splatter paint using a hard brush. You can use toothbrush as well. And I decided to add a couple of spots on the upper part of cap. And now I'm gonna paint lightnings on the both sides of cap, and I use a small size brush and white and light blue colors. And now I'm gonna write the word savage, and first I write it with pencil. And now I use a big flat brush and I write this word using black color fabric paint. And I put 2 layers of paint on this word. A bit more paint splatters. And painting is finished. You know, guys, sometimes I envy myself. Like, isn't it amazing that I can buy some cheap, basic baseball cap and in 2 hours I have something like this? And that is the reason why I started this YouTube channel, to share my obsession with painting on clothes, and I hope that more and more people will discover my channel and more people will start painting on clothes, and then we won't see boring clothes on the streets anymore. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video and I hope it was useful for you, and if you liked it, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And we hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.